Abantu bakuleli bebema ndawo zonke bethenga igipa zama-Springboks kanye namaflegi akuleli. Abanye ke bathi kube nzima ukuthola lezi gipa ezitolo ngomzuzu wokugcina.
Yeah, it's very hectic Friday. I went all over Rustenburg trying to get a t-shirt from the CBD waterfall, at least here by Waterfall Mall. I managed to get one.
This past hour I'm driving everywhere in Rustenburg, trying to find a jersey for myself.
Abadayisa emgwaqeni bathi hayi iyangena inkece.
Now we are feeding our family, we are feeding our houses, and everything is going well now.
Ngisho nezingane ke aziyibekile phansi zifike esikoleni zidlubhe imifaniswano yamabhokobhoko.
Good luck, Boka. I hope you win that trophy, and love you guys.
Good luck, Boka. You can do this. Go, Boka, go! Go, Boka, go!
Boka, I will watch your show tomorrow. I'll be very happy, and my popcorns will be ready for your show.
Abanye ke sebeyazi ukuthi bazokwenzani uma nje Amabhokobhoko ebuya nayo indebe.
If we win this World Cup again, it's December. I don't care what anybody. It's December.
Konke kumi ngomumo eFrance ngamalungiselelo alomdlalo ozobe ubhekwe Ngabomvu kusasa.
I'm very confident that we're going to win the All Blacks by a nice margin.
Yo guys, represent Zanti. You guys always represent in the most adverse times.
We're actually proud of them, and as a nation we are behind them, and good luck to them.
Elizabeth!